it may be difficult to hear the difference among them, the sound ma, na, and ing. Okay, so let's make them clear. The first one, ma, 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 some, at the end of the word, right? Some. Now, na, 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 sun. And then the last one is ing, ing. Listen carefully. The middle one, na. And the last one, ing, ing. Got it? Okay, ing, ing, ing. Ing, ing. Sung. Then, some, sun, sung. Then, and then, ing. Got it? Okay, so, ma, ma, ma. Na, na, na. Ing, ing, ing. Then the next one. Ma, ma, ma. Na, na, na. Ing, ing, ing. So, ram, run, rung. Ram, rung. Sorry, ram, run, rung. Got the difference? Okay.